Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are wanting and wondering how to create polls and threads that will boost the engagement on your Twitter, and you are wondering how to do so, today we will be guiding you through the process. So let's get started. You can start by opening up Twitter for that. And if you would like to boost the engagement, what you need to do is you need to create the polls and threads that requires a mix of strategic content, timing, tone, and audience insight. So for that, what you can do is you can go ahead and create high engagement polls. Look out for the plus option with a feather on it in the bottom right corner of your screen, the blue button. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you can just go ahead and start up a thread or create up a post. So if you'd like to go ahead and create up a poll, what you need to do is in this section right here in the right above your keyboard, you can find a photo option, a GIF option, and an option called poll. So just go ahead and tap on poll. And once you tap on poll, here you can just go ahead and add a choice and create high engagement polls. So first of all, you can ask for questions. So you can try, you know, asking emotionally or intellectually engaging questions, making it easy to answer, such as which would you delete forever? So let me just go ahead and type in that delete forever. And once you type in that, you can just go ahead and add up choices for the audience. For example, let's say Instagram. And the second we have is YouTube. You can even add more options. Now let me just go ahead and add one more. Let's say Twitter. And there we go. And you can see the poll length and everything. You can keep it simple, no complex questions, limit up to 2 to 4 choices max, and you can even use emojis to make it visually appealing. After that, you can just go ahead and post it. You can tap on post at the top, and you can even select your audience, tap on it, and the post will be posted. And you can relate, try creating up such kind of polls that will relate to the current events or the cultural moments, you know, like those kind of things. You can just go ahead and do so, and that should do it. And you can just go ahead and be consistent as well. You can, avoid posting when your audience is asleep or offline, and post it during your audience local time, and that should kind of increase engagement on your polls and your threads. And that's it. So therefore, that's it, guys. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.